What's up, Riders Nation? I'm back out at Bergen County Harley Davidson for a dealership review. Let's see how much fun we can have.
What's up, guys? Sergio from Bergen County Harley Davidson. As you can tell, we got a shit ton of inventory here. come on down, check it out. Our bike nights are awesome. It's the fourth Thursday of every month in the parking lot. Let me know if you need anything. Once again, Sergio for Bergen Harley.
Kind of an amazing review of Bergen County Harley Davidson. It is a pretty amazing place. If you want it and it says Harley Davidson, Bergen County Harley Davidson is the place to get it. They have just about everything branded Harley Davidson that you could possibly imagine. Not only that, they have a large selection of bikes, new. They have almost no used bikes right now. I'm told that's because they sold them all. And Sergio is just an all-around great guy. So if you check out Bergen County Harley Davidson, make sure you check out Sergio. I promise you he'll hook you up and take care of you. All right, guys, until next time, stay safe, live the dream.